Go.
Well, thank you for your order. Here we're packing up a pair of plates, new Wyoming plates from 1966. Take a look at the plates so we don't have any scraping during shipments. We put a piece of paper towel between the two plates, put them together, and slide them into a protective bag. Place some advertising to let you know that we have other products as well. And then everyone will notice that we have cardboard cut up. We have it just the size of the plates. We pack the plates in between the two pieces of cardboard, make a sandwich, and tape this two together. Makes it nice and taut. Rid of that. And here we have your plate in between two pieces of cardboard. It's very stiff. And we place it into a bubble pack envelope. Slide it in. And
Go ahead.
place it in the bubble pack. Now, if it's under a pound, we'll ship it just as it is, but this is over a pound. So with this pack, we have some more security for the plate. We'll place it into the a bag, priority mail, tape it together, and off we're going. Then it's just printing out the label and it's out in the mailbox.